Import a square shape. Increase shape radius 200. Use your hand to adjust your circle shape till it becomes horizontal. Then change your shape color to black. Then use the rotate tool and reduce angle to -15. Use the relative position tool to align shape to the middle. Then copy shape and place in the pattern that you want it. Repeat this process until you get your desired style. Then lock all the shape layers. Then import a new shape and increase its size until it covers the entire background. Use relative position tool to align the new shape. Then lock the shape layer and tap on the To Back tool. Open layers. Then select all layers and merge them. Then use the Erase Color tool and select the black color. Increase tolerance to its highest. Then enable Inner Shadow. Lock your new layer. Save your image. Results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.